Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off speak keyboard input aloud on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on advanced. So go into advanced settings and then tap on speak keyboard input aloud. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. If you turn it on, you can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can also choose to add it to the shortcut or not. And you can also choose what to read. You can select if you want to read out by the characters, by the words, or by characters and words. You can also choose to read deleted characters aloud as well, or turn it off. And you can also turn on or turn off phonetic alphabet. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.